Okay, let's take a look at this smoker here. We need to get it cleaned up. Alright. Now, a lot of your smokers actually have their little ash cup or ash tray, whatever you want to call it, and you got to vacuum it out. You can't just dump it from the bottom side. Plus, it gets out past that. This is a Pit Boss Pro Series, if you're asking specifically what this is. So first, we're going to get the grates and set them to the side. Setting them on your Blackstone is a great place. Okay, this actually isn't that dirty. I just cleaned this up a couple weeks ago. So we're gonna wrap that with some new foil. And you see, this isn't that bad. The cup's not overflowing, but we're gonna get rid of all this right here. No, Winston, we're not gonna eat that, okay? Okay. I'm sure that old grease won't hurt him any, but still. All right, so we're gonna grab our super fancy Eagle cordless shop vac because it's cool. Any shop vac will work. Filter bag is better. Okay, see, that's just a whole lot cleaner there, and your ashtray is empty. That means your igniter down here has a much better chance of igniting. It's going to be more efficient. This is just good to do on a regular basis. Now, these Pit Boss Pros have like this little sliding grate thing, you know, so you can open it up to like sear like meats, steaks, burgers. I find then unless you're cleaning that up every week, it just gets all gummed up. Okay. For those of you who are commenting, yes, I realize my deck is falling apart. I didn't miss that. Alright, this is an extra wide, heavy duty foil, which I can do it in one piece. And your more regular size foils, you're going to have to do it in two pieces. Alright, but this is good. I like to keep this covered with the foil so that you can just peel it off. Obviously, I didn't start when I first started using this with that. And I realized, oh, the cleanup sucks. So let's cover this thing in foil. Alright, Winston's still going to keep helping me. On this side does have two notches, which are now covered up by the foil right there, and they go on this ledge here. Kind of locks it in place. There it is. And there you go. Got a clean smoker. Let's put the grates back. Alright guys, we're totally ready for a fresh smoke. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. I'll catch you on the next one.